When you're short on time, this can save your day. Chop some salami. Finely chop the onion. Grated hard cheese. And I will cut the mozzarella. Put the tortilla. Add 3 eggs. I will add salt. And beat the eggs. Add salami to the tortilla. I add onions, mozzarella, rent and hard cheese, olives, wait until you see how it looks when it's baked. I bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. A tortilla prepared this way is ideal for a quick breakfast or dinner, and you can also take it to work or school for a snack. If you like the recipe, write me in the comment section. Great! If you liked it, please like the video or share it with your friends. Thank you.